Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change status in Jira. Let's get started. First, go to Jira and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your preferred project. In this new tab containing your project, click on the All Work tab from the navigation menu above. Next, in here, look for the ticket you want to change the status of, and with this scroll bar down here, scroll to the right side of your screen and you can see your status here. To change the status of this ticket, click on the status or this downward arrow and you have these other statuses here. So click on the status of your ticket, and that is how you can change status in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.